Hi there everyone, and welcome to my video diaries. My name is Mike Sherratt and my website is easybiznetworker.com. This is day 19 of my video challenge that I've been taking with my team that are part of the Power of 3x3. I'm the co-owner of that site, and I took my team and took them on a challenge for a video and blogging challenge for 90 days to help them to be more successful in life. Now today's issue that we're going to talk about is personal branding and how personal branding, if it's done right, is really effective. I've got some ideas for you. I'm going to give you some tips, some things that you need to learn. But obviously, you at the minute are using your Facebook account or you're using several different social media platforms and you're not really getting anything. You're not understanding personal branding. Now, what I mean by personal branding is what concept pops in your mind after that? What concept? What kind of businesses will pop into your mind when you think personal branding? I think Coca-Cola, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, just a few that I can bring off the top of my head. Nike, Adidas. Personal branding, they made their companies personal. Apple, Windows, all different things that you can put as personal branding. What things do you represent in personal branding? So what morals are you? What way do you want to live your life? That's the thing that you need to work on as well. Are you an expert in the things that you do? If you're not, you need to find out how to become an expert. You need to learn how to do that so that you can effectively tell people how to do what you are an expert in your right mind. And you can show them exactly how to do it step by step, even from baby steps. Are you trustworthy? That's one of the reasons people won't join you. They don't trust you. You've got to make sure that people understand you, trust you, and that they can connect with you in a way that you understand that. You've got to imagine this. If people don't trust each other, how are you ever going to get any bond? So what you've got to do is you've got to build rapport with that person, make them want to love you. Because I want you to think about it. I really want you to focus on what you've got to say and listen to what I've got to say, because if you really take the thing into mind and build a good rapport up with the person when you first connect with them, they will trust you with their life. They will tell you everything. You'll become more of a psychologist than a network marketer. But that's part of the learning of becoming a leader in network marketing. You understand people's pain because you've been there yourself. With me being an ex-addict, I know the pain that people go through. I've been at the lowest of low and the highest of high. I keep rising every single day. Why do I do that? Because I keep believing in myself. I keep working on myself. I keep working on my personal brand. Now, another thing, and it's most vital, this one, are the things for you that you stand for ethical. If they are, and they're ethical, and you understand them, you're going to do really well with it. You're going to understand exactly how to move the oceans for people, and you're going to understand that people are going to love you and your personal brand that you create. Now, our personal brand that me and Andy have created is the Power of 3x3. Our personal brand of helping anyone transform their life and giving anyone a chance of making money online is what we really want to hit home to people. So if you're really thinking about the fact that you are in that pain, and you're probably not thinking about it now, but you will be thinking about it shortly, and you will be thinking that that pain that you understand, it's going to help you get rid of. It's going to dissolve it, the system that we've created. It's going to make really total sense. You're going to understand everything. You're going to be able to apply yourself to it really, really simply. And why are you going to be able to do that? Because we've made it from baby steps onwards. We've made it from that onwards so that people can duplicate with it. And the brand we've created is simple, easy to do marketing. And that is our brand. Now, what will help you with your personal brand? Setting up social media platforms. Facebook's the first priority you should be on. It's the most busiest social network on the planet. Most network marketers are on there. Easy pickings for you. If you do your prospecting right, your personal brand will look really good, and you'll have a captivating audience. Then once you've done that, you need to go into Google Plus, and you need to start getting on there, because the Hangouts are key to your success. People need to see videos of you. They need to understand who you are and what you're made of. If they do that, you'll have a lot of success online. And I'm sure that you want to imagine that success, and you really want it, don't you? I know that you do. I know that you do. People that don't think about that success are the people that want it the most. And that's the people that I'm looking for. People that I build my brand around. People that I know that I can see underneath that person. I can see good in them. So I model that person into the person that I want them to become. I transform their life through my personal brand, showing them how to become their personal brand. And it works effectively on all social networks. So after you've done Google, What you want to do then is Twitter. You want to get on LinkedIn. You want to interact them all by putting posts on there, information, quotes, interacting with people, sending people messages. If you're not busy doing that on a normal day, you're never going to get anywhere with your personal brand. People are never going to know who you are, and you're never going to get any success. Once you've done all the social networks, if you've not got one already, we do encourage people in the Power of Three to get a blog with our system, and it's part of the Empower Network. Now, the reason why we do that is so that people can brand themselves. They can have a list to go on and connect with their people that want to be part of their personal brand. And then they have the capture pages with the MLSP system that they get, and all the training that they get as well. Which is, once you become that inferior with your marketing, you'll understand it a lot more, and you'll need that extra little bit more. And that's what we put into the system for you. So that's personal branding. If you've not got everything looking good, looking smart, looking sharp, looking positive, with all your links onto all these social networks and your websites that you run, I think it's time to go and change it, people. Spend some time to change it, and you'll get a lot back in reaping and sowing. You've probably heard of that. The more you reap, the more you sow. That's the way it works. This is Mike Sherratt, easybizNetworker.com, or click on the link below, the Power of 3x3/free money, and then you'll be able to go and have a look at our system. Have a good look around. It's free. Imagine this. It's not going to hurt anything because it doesn't cost you anything. Speak to you again tomorrow. Take care.